The Acebeam D20 2.0 is a compact yet powerful dive light built for performance beneath the surface. This flashlight was provided by Acebeam for testing purposes. Inside the box, you'll find the D20 2.0 flashlight, a 21700 rechargeable battery with built-in USB-C charging, spare O-rings, wrist lanyard, and a detailed manual. Everything needed for your next dive. Operation is simple and reliable. A single button cycles through 3 modes: low, high, and SOS. On high, the D20 2.0 delivers up to 2,200 lumens from a single luminous SFD40 LED, projecting a crisp, concentrated beam. On low, it provides a smooth, even spread for close work. On high, it cuts sharply through the water, maintaining excellent definition even at distance. Ideal for signaling or lighting subjects in low visibility conditions. In controlled pool tests, you can see the light's narrow 9-degree beam angle, designed for serious throw and long-range visibility. We also tested the D20 2.0 during daytime propeller and hull inspections. The beam's intensity and color temperature reveal fine details under the boat, perfect for maintenance dives, search tasks, or technical applications where clarity matters. At night, the D20 2.0 maintained impressive punch, even in darker water with reduced clarity. The cool white beam cut through suspended sediment with minimal backscatter, making it a dependable choice for any night dive. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and rated to depths of 500 meters, the Acebeam D20 2.0 delivers the reliability, precision, and power demanded by divers and underwater filmmakers alike.